Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Silly Pointer Show. First two season, two finals. The moment their captain changed, they finished eighth last season. Last but almost the least also previous season, we are going to talk about Gujarat Titans.
वेरी एक्साइटिंग स्क्वाड. नहीं हंस क्यों रहा है गुंडू यार? बढ़िया तो टीम बनाई है.
बस
Actually,
बैकबोन भूल गए टीम का. बस मिडिल ऑर्डर मतलब
मिडिल
मिडिल
ऑर्डर.
पार्ट भूल गए.
I think they
बस
have done two, three very like long term. I would say long term. तो क्या IPL में क्या ही है, but three very good picks that they have done. Josh Butler right at the
Yeah.
top. All 14 games he's going to play. Along with him, Glenn Phillips and Kagiso Rabada. I think
बट
very
जॉर्ज बटलर का तूने बात की तो
Hmm.
डू यू थिंक देयर इज अ चांस कि उसको मिडिल ऑर्डर कराएंगे, कंसीडरिंग मिडिल ऑर्डर में थोड़ा सा एक गैप दिखता है.
Yeah, I think your top
हम्म,
three batters should play in your top three, is what I believe in any team in any format.
आई
And
एग्री.
Josh
आई
Butler
एग्री.
is easily the top three batter in this. So at max, what they can do is open with Sudarshan alongside Gill and play Gill at play
बट इट
Butler,
वोंट मेक मच ऑफ अ डिफरेंस
but
टू देम.
it won't make much of a
तो आई
difference.
वुड रादर कीप हिम
और
एज एन ओपनर.
हाँ, क्योंकि उसको पावर प्ले भी दे दो कि ले भाई तू
हम्म,
मारना शुरू कर. But
बट दिस इज
वही
वन ऑफ
बात.
द साइड जिनके बैकअप्स भी अच्छे हैं. मतलब अगर मतलब
yes,
ऐसा नहीं है कि प्लेइंग 11 हटा दिया तो फिर कोई आपको दिख ही नहीं रहा है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ लेट्स से by chance Mohammad Siraj gets injured, for example, I hope he
तो
doesn't. But you have
भाई
Ishan Sharma and you have Prasidh Krishna.
मोहम्मद सिराज का रिवेंज सीजन है भाई ये.
हाँ,
हाँ, मैं वही कह रहा हूँ.
डीएसपी बनने के बाद ड्रॉप हुआ है वो. इमेजिन.
You have Sai Kishore as a very good left arm spinner.
हाँ,
You have I mean Jayant Yadav, although उतना खेले नहीं है, but I think first class he's a better player, but also he's no noob with the ball.
एंड
I think yeah, Rashid Khan है ही, Tewatia है ही, who gives them another bowling all-rounder option.
यस.
Kagiso Rabada नहीं तो Coetzee है. तो I think they've really thought it well, and I think
या
backups के point of view से they do have good backups in their side.
यस, आई थिंक दिस इज फाइनली अ स्क्वाड जिसमें I think Phillips is now going to get consistent chances. I think he was getting wasted in
yeah.
SRH
Yeah,
SRH,
in the
SRH.
SRH, yes.
previous few years.
Yeah.
Like criminal है. तो जिस हिसाब से he's been performing even with
Yeah,
his
he's been very consistent.
not disappointing. और वो एक टांग तो उसकी हवा में ही रहती है, तो उसके आसपास से बॉल निकलना तो टफ ही है,
मुश्किल ही है.
मुश्किल है.
हाँ.
बट या अनदर गुड पिक जो अभी हमने हल्का सा डिस्कशन भी किया, मोहम्मद सिराज. आई थिंक
Yeah.
ही वुड बी रेयरिंग टू गो. व्हाट इज
Yes.
इंटरेस्टिंग, आई थिंक IPL is 18 now. So I think it's at that stage where every year new mini rivalries are sort of, taking place. Now people are looking forward to GT versus RCB. कि how will Siraj perform
Yeah.
against RCB?
How
People
will Siraj
are
perform?
looking
Perfect.
forward to
Yeah.
Punjab versus LSG because how will Rishabh play against Punjab? तो सही है, exciting है. IPL is getting bigger, and Kumar Kushagra is there. बहुत नाम सुन लिया अब तो. It's high time
Yeah.
हाँ.
he shows
I
something.
think
मुश्किल है 11 में चांस मिलना, पर he's there. I think he's in able hands of Mr. Nehra.
I think GT की टीम, I think let's say bowlers से start करते हैं इस बार.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think
So Siraj तो for sure will be there.
मेरे हिसाब से रबाडा will.
Rabada will
Rashid
definitely play.
Rabada, Siraj, I think are three sureties.
Yes.
I would,
Washi and Tewatia will play and they will give you very good bowling options.
yes. I had also
Phillips is another bowling option.
Yes, I had also kept Prasidh Krishna in the squad as a frontline bowler. तो मेरे bottom चार
Okay.
यही राशिद, रबाडा, सिराज और प्रसिद्ध. And as you rightly said, उसके ऊपर के तीन भी bowling कर सकते हैं, which is तेवतिया, सुंदर और
शाहरुख खान.
Glenn Phillips. Shahrukh is not in my
No,
starting.
but the beauty of this squad is because they have all-rounders who can actually bowl. So I mean, Washington, you can depend on Washi to at least bowl 3 overs in
Yeah,
a
yeah.
T20 game.
On a
At
good
least.
day four,
You
on a
have
good day four.
Tewatia, chalo, I think पिछले last season at least he hasn't bowled much.
Yeah.
I think he's more or less a batsman. I think playing as a batting all-rounder, but he still gives you that option. Glenn Phillips again can bowl 2-3 overs depending on what kind of wicket that they're playing on. So
Yeah.
इसके वजह से they have an option to skip or rather not take a frontline bowler.
Hmm.
Rather, they can invest more in batting, which will give them a better, middle order depth if they really want to have a long tail.
So in that case,
Short tail,
Krishna,
sorry. So
in that
yeah,
case, Krishna sets out.
yes, that's what I feel.
That will
Because I
elongate,
mean, Butler say,
that will
sorry.
elongate their batting immensely.
Yes, because they have so many all-rounder options, and उसके बाद आपके पास you have the luxury of having a super sub as well, so or an impact player, so to speak. But yeah, I think yes, they should ideally go with three seamers. I think Rabada and Siraj, एक seamer, they are short. So while I do agree that they might go for a player like Prasidh Krishna or an Ishant Sharma, you don't know. I think Ishant Sharma ka experience and he's played really well in the last couple of seasons, so he could be another option.
Yes, I have a hunch that Ishant might come in the latter half
Ahead
of the.
Oh, I would say my hunch is that he
ईशांत या प्रसिद्ध में से एक खेलेगा पक्का.
Oh,
मेरे को
that is
मेरे को लगता है.
surety you are saying.
Because मेरे कंस्ट्रक्ट में मेरा ऐसा था कि बटलर, गिल, सुदर्शन तो है ही है, उनको छोड़ देते हैं. फिलिप्स भी है, छोड़ देते हैं.
By there is only one spot empty, but हाँ, you carry on. 10 people.
उसके बाद मेरा जो स्ट्रक्चर है ना इसका मिडिल ऑर्डर का, आई एम पिकिंग एदर लॉमरोल और शाहरुख एट 5. लॉमरोल और शाहरुख एट 5, तेवातिया, सुंदर, राशिद, रबादा, सिराज, ईशांत शर्मा और प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा.
यही है.
इससे हो नहीं सकता. इनफैक्ट वेयर आई एम पुटिंग अरशद खान.
I mean, you can't ignore Anuj Rawat as well.
Arshad Khan was like a really good pick last year. GT में शायद से वो था नहीं. I guess he was there in Mumbai only, if I'm not wrong. मुंबई में था कि LSG में था. And I've seen his domestic videos as well. It's a really good hitter. And तो अगर middle order में उनको एक चाहिए जो hit करा है, तो अरशद खान is a good option.
मुझे but I don't think I think बहुत लोग हैं उससे आगे उसको चांस मिलने के. हमने अभी 13 लोग गिने हैं, इंक्लूडिंग 2 पोजीशंस पे हमने 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट गिने. एक जगह हमने शाहरुख और
साई किशोर भी है.
हमने एक जगह शाहरुख और लोमरो, साई किशोर स्पिनर तो हमने एक जगह शाहरुख और लोमरो गिना, एक जगह प्रसिद्ध और ईशान गिना. बट अनुज रावत एंड साई किशोर, both of them are there. So
and Ishan Sindhu is another up and coming player. He's a good player, left arm spinner and a lefty batsman. So while I don't think so he'll get a game, but a good player to have.
Yeah, but I think from the first look जितनी ब्लेयर लग रही थी है नहीं उतनी side
they've tried to cover most bases. It's just that थोड़ा सा middle order में एक solid batsman की कमी है. एक अगर stable batsman आ जाता.
Yes.
But yeah, I can see this team qualifying for the next round for sure.
Yeah, and I think that stability on a good day, Anuj Rawat is someone to place your bets on. But हमने अभी बात करते करते we have picked top 15 कि 11 खेलेंगे and we have 4 other substitutes which are as good.
Yes.
I'm saying it's a very
yeah that's what we discussed, right? उनके पास backups बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Yes.
And
so if things they'll qualify. You're saying they'll qualify?
I think they'll qualify.
I think so.
Depending on the captaincy and of course there are other factors involved, their form and everything. But I genuinely feel that they have the team to qualify.
And I think Gill on Ahmedabad pitch for 7 games, he can wreak havoc. बहुत पसंद है उसको pitch. I think around these superstars, we don't talk enough about Gill in the GT team. I think he's been doing crazily good. And जब से Sai Sudarshan has stepped up, I think they are a formidable pair.
Yeah.
And if it's 1-2 or 2, will be 2-3. But I think Sai Sudarshan also needs to now take that responsibility. I think he already had that coming of age season last year. Everyone is talking about him. He is almost there. I think the next slot that opens up. So
I think ये make or break sort of season Washington Sundar के लिए भी होगा. I think he has to step up थोड़ा सा और both as a batsman and as a bowler. I mean, he needs to perform a bit better for this team to do well. But I genuinely feel they have the team to qualify for sure.
Yeah, and if anything, Washington Sundar has that cushion of doing very well if not doing very well, then being in every squad for India. So he has that reputation.
Yeah.
And hopefully with that reputation comes some bit of confidence also. And let's see, मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है Washington Sundar.
Like
If he performs nothing like.
मेरे हिसाब से, like in my view, there are better teams than this in the league, so I won't say that they'll qualify.
मेरा तो एकदम ही कॉन्ट्ररी व्यू है. मुझे लगता है इतनी बैलेंस टीम, अगर थोड़ा मिडिल ऑर्डर देखो, सबकी वीकनेसेस तो हैं ही,
Bro,
but in
अगर
terms of
if you
replacements,
get out, if you get Butler, Gill या सुदर्शन में से 2 लोग को आप निकाल देते हो, इधर बीच में ना फिलिप्स, रॉमरोल, तेवातिया, सुंदर, इन सब में ऐसे लोग नहीं है जो, like Phillips is not an anchor for you.
no, I get your point. वो उनका definitely weakness है.
ऐसे लंबा लेके जाने वाला, you know, the partnership builder, ऐसा कोई नहीं है इसमें. And when you lose wickets at the top, you need a partnership builder, and every team has made sure that they have one person like that who can build partnerships.
Not every, but like most.
Yeah, not every. Like, I can't think of someone from RCB.
मुझे क्यों तोड़ा?
Yeah, agreed. Or there are a few teams. But
I think Patidar will be that person in RCB, just to answer.
Who will be that person?
Patidar. Rajat Patidar.
Patidar is, खैर हमने RCB की तो बात कर लिया. I think Patidar is, I hope not, but I think he's going to be very confused this season कि करना क्या है. Because being an RCB captain is not an easy thing.
Yeah, not easy.
But I'm with Sunil.
Social media से तो दूर ही रहे वो.
Yeah. One way or the other. जीते तो ज़्यादा दूर रहे और हारे तो भी दूर ही रहे. सिर्फ वहाँ से इफी देखे रात को चुपचाप सो जाए. But I'm with Sunil in terms of
क्या मैच में होने वाला है वो पहले. Yeah.
I'm with Sunil on verdict. I think I also see them qualifying. Very, very good balance. They want only one of the top 3 to remain there till the 17th, 18th over, and I think they'll be good. And on a bad day also, 2 मैच तो राहुल तेवतिया के हटा के रखो, वो तो जिताएगा ही अपने जो उसके कोटा के 2 मैच हैं. बाकी देखो यार, Glenn Phillips should have a coming of age season in IPL this time and show us.
I think Shah Rukh Khan के reputation के लिए भी it's a big season because he started off really well. I think till that tapered off.
तो बहुत बोल दिया.
हो गया है.
उसको बहुत बोल दिया था कि वो इंडिया का कैरन पोलार्ड है and all that stuff.
हाँ नहीं उसका and he was performing well also. It's just that big stage पे थोड़ा उसको he needs to perform.